Come here. This is my secret to making my home smell like a relaxing oasis. Let's whip up Simply Earth's Dreamy Diffuser blend recipe together. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, your go-to pure essential oil guide. Today, we're gonna make a soothing diffuser blend, bursting with uplifting ingredients that will freshen up your space and elevate your mood, keeping you feeling great all day long. And who doesn't need that? Before we dive into this recipe, I just want you to know that we at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it easy to make natural DIY products. That's why when you subscribe to the Simply Earth recipe box, you'll get the key ingredients you need for this recipe delivered right to your door. When you subscribe, we'll even throw in a big bonus box. You can also find the ingredients I use for this recipe at simplyearth.com. It's super easy and oh so much fun. Let's get real. Some diffuser blends are packed with harsh chemicals and artificial scents that mess with our air quality and health. Who wants that? So it's time to be mindful of what we bring into our homes. This diffuser blend will make your home smell amazing in a way that you can feel good about. So let's turn off all distractions because making is healing. Let's make this dreamy diffuser blend recipe together from Simply Earth. So this is what you're gonna need from your box. 2 drops of fir needle essential oil, 3 drops blood orange essential oil, 2 drops sweet dreams essential oil, 5 ml amber glass bottle, and from your home, a diffuser. Today I'm using the Simply Earth flower diffuser. First, add the essential oils to a diffuser according to your diffuser's instructions. To make a master blend of this diffuser blend, grab a 5 ml bottle from your big bonus box and add 28 drops of fir needle, 43 drops of blood orange, and 29 drops Sweet Dreams essential oil blend. Don't forget to label your creation. This blend will transform your space into a cozy oasis. Inhale that soothing aroma and let the peaceful vibes whisk you away to relaxation paradise. Seriously, if I can whip up this dreamy diffuser blend, you can totally rock it too. If you want natural DIY recipes like this one delivered right to your door, subscribe to Simply Earth's Essential Oil Recipe Box. When you make this recipe, snap a picture, share it on social media with hashtag #IMadeThis for a chance to score a $5 gift card and be featured on our social media pages. Hit that like button and subscribe for more fun DIY adventures. Let's keep the creativity flowing and enjoy this journey together. Thank you for watching.